Alright. The last CD we received from you, I believe it was Revolutionary Volume 2. In the front cover, it depicts a picture of George Bush and Dick Cheney.
There's Osama bin Laden is there, Tom Ridge is there, Donald Rumsfeld is there, Senior Bush is there, and they're all blasted there. Colin Powell is there too, but we had to drop squad that dude. You know, we didn't kill him. The brother's just lost. You know what I mean? He's one of those individuals that thinks that he represents, you know, his own. Just because he's in a position of power doesn't mean he represents black people. You know what I mean? To me, John Gotti doesn't represent Italian people. You know, they are not all murderers. Everyone who comes here to America, who immigrates here, gets shitted on. You know what I mean? Irish people, you know, there was signs, no dogs, no Irish. Italian people, you know, called the niggas of Europe. You know, not treated very well by the rest of white people. God knows Jews have been, you know, and then you got black and Latino people that built this motherfucking country. So, I mean, when I look at the brother, I see him in that same respect as somebody who's just lost. And for the rest of them, I know they all making money together off of it. Even though they pretend they don't like each other, you know, and I'm not saying that Bush is necessarily responsible for everything Bin Laden does. I mean, America is not to blame for everything. Europe is just as much to blame for other things, you know what I mean?